Want to know how trending topics can skyrocket your views on YouTube? Does trending topics on YouTube really help skyrocket your views on YouTube? Maybe that's the right way to phrase the question. You probably heard that keeping up with the trends is very important to help your channel get a lot of views. Why exactly, and how is that even possible? Stick around. Towards the end of this video, I'm sharing a helpful tip that will help you stay ahead of the trending topic before anyone else, and that can get you to capitalize on the trend. Welcome to K-Film, my photography and video channel. Here I share my journey on discovering the art of photography and video creation. The goal is to inspire and support fellow photographers and content creators. It's not what it was, but it's what it is right now. So let's get it. So let's get real. You create a video, you upload the video, but the video does not get views. What's happening? It's because some people specifically go to the YouTube platform to search for specific content. Now, if you've just created a video different from what is trending that day or those days or what people are searching for, your video gets missed. It doesn't matter if you uploaded and posted the video that same day. See, this is where trending topics come into play. Now, because the YouTube platform has so many creators, there's just so much noise, and it's so difficult to break through the noise to get your video noticed. Coupled up with the fact that people are going on YouTube to search for a specific video to watch, this makes it much more difficult. Now, this is where trending topics help you. If you jump onto a trending topic, number one, people are searching for this topic. People want to consume videos about this topic. Because people are searching this topic, when you jump onto the wave, this curiosity wave, it will help your video also get discovered by new viewers, and people can enjoy it. Because it's a new wave, it can then help your video also get discovered by people. And this will help the video that you've just created gain traction and get a few views. And this can even invite people to your page if your video is good enough. Because sometimes people ask themselves, if he created a good video filled with value like this, what other videos could he have on his page? So people then go onto your YouTube page to see what more valuable content they can consume. Number two, because the topic is trending, it's timely, it's in the moment, it helps you generate a lot of views. And this is how most videos go viral. People keep seeing the video in the search, and then they keep clicking on it. The click-through rate is high for that video, and this video gets pushed to many more views by the YouTube algorithm. And so you collect a lot of views because of you having created a video on a trending topic that's happening in the moment. Now, the point number three is it helps grow your channel. Overall, if your video creation skill is good, or you created this video that has a lot of value, this invites people onto your page, like I've said previously. And if there is more good videos onto your channel that has a lot of value in them, after 2 or 3 videos in your channel, someone can decide to simply just subscribe to your channel, and this will help to grow your channel as well. Now stick around, because next I want to talk about how you can use trending topics to grow your channel. Yes, definitely. I've seen people on YouTube do this. How do you use trending topics to grow on the YouTube platform. Now, caution, if you decide to go this route with your YouTube journey or your YouTube channel, it might just be the only thing you do. Keep creating content around trending topics. Not really topic ideas that you want to create, but only trending topic ideas, because what happens is the YouTube algorithm knows you for this, and the YouTube community or the people that are subscribed to your channel know you for mostly covering trending topic ideas. So it can be dangerous to you and your channel if you start talking about other things other than the trending topic at that specific time. So just keep this in mind when you start creating video content about trending topics. But this is what it means. It means that you need to be up to date in the niche that you're in. You need to be up to date within the niche that you're in, whether it's how to grow on YouTube or photography or any other thing. You need to be in the know on what is happening in that niche. What are the people talking about? What is the newest, hottest thing that you can jump on and create a video about. Now, depending on what that niche is, there is different places you can go to learn what is trending in the moment and what you need to create videos about. But generally, Google Trends is one of those places. And if you go onto Google Trend and you type in a keyword, Google Trend will tell you what are people talking about in regards to that keyword that you've just typed in. Now, I think this is a whole new video topic idea that I can get into, so I'm not going to get deep into it. And if you want me to create a video about how to get trending topic ideas, leave it in the comments, let me know, and then I'll happily, greatly do research and create that video for you. But when it comes to using trending topics to create video content that people can watch and help you generate views, you want to jump on the bandwagon, create these videos and upload, publish them ASAP before that wave dies down. I think that is key. You want to quickly jump in, create this video within 1 or 2 days, upload this video for the audience to see. Because you're creating this video, you are unique, you are different from the next YouTuber. You are bringing your uniqueness, your perspective to this video. And in most cases, the information you are sharing is generic, but it's just your uniqueness, your style that gives this video a hype and that makes this video definitely different from all the other videos in the same topic. How you present it, the energy you bring to it. So make sure that you bring the energy, you bring your uniqueness, you bring your style to this video as well, if you want the video to do well for the platform and for people to love it. So to sum it all up, YouTube trends aren't all about jumping on the bandwagon. It's all about staying relevant, catching people's attention, and letting YouTube know that you are a creator worth watching. So keep your eye out on what is trending in your niche. Create videos that are timely. Don't be afraid to jump in on the conversation, because you are unique. You have a uniqueness to you, and you create your video based off of who you are and your unique perspective. So if you found value in this video, I'm sure you can find more value if you watch this video next. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to tap on that like button, hit that subscribe button to get noticed when I upload my next video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me.